Did you know a single bolt of lightning can contain enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? Lightning is one of nature's most powerful phenomena. Each strike can release up to 1 billion joules of energy. To put that into perspective, that's enough energy to toast a staggering 100,000 slices of bread. A typical toaster uses around 1,000 joules to toast a single slice of bread. So if you multiply that by 100,000, you can see just how powerful a lightning bolt really is. The next time you see a lightning storm, remember the immense energy behind each strike. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible science tidbits.